Welcome to IT Network King official channel. How to install and configure PRTG Traffic Grapher. PRTG Traffic Grapher download link is pasted in descriptions. Run setup. Click accept, then click next. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click finish. Click menu. Open PRTG Traffic Grapher. Use free additions, then click next. Click next. Click to create sensor. Click next. Select SNMP, then click next. Type device name. Type device IP. Select SNMP v2. Type SNMP community, then click next. Select WAN interface which you want to monitor, then click finish. Now verify. Click Browse to open GUI interface. Copy IP and paste into the browser. You can store and check 365 days of usage. Thank you for watching IT Network King official channel. Please like and subscribe IT Network King official channel.